你好, this is Jingle Chinese. Today we'll learn character 6. We'll learn its pronunciation, origins, how to use it, and how to write it. Let's start. Yeah! 6. 6. Falling tone. Stomp your feet when you say this character. 6. 6. L sounds like in the word like. U sounds like in the word you. So sound tip. The boy Leo is 6 years old. Leo. This character was originally based on an image of a house. The reason for this is a house has 4 walls and 1 floor and 1 ceiling, totaling 6 surfaces. The hand gesture for Leo is like this. So when you see some people doing this, which means you are doing fabulous, because the Leo has the same pronunciation as Leo, which means smooth. So when you see Leo, which means you are fabulous. In Chinese Spring Festival, we always like to say 六大顺, which means everything goes so smoothly. So 6 is a lucky number in Chinese culture. How to use 6 in a sentence? 那边有6个人。这件衣服666块。
爱绽放，映入眼眸。风往每天吹来，在情唤着我裙摆。你漫步走过来，沿路的风景被抹上色彩，在麦浪里洒下。
Thanks for watching. 谢谢观看。If you want to learn more Chinese characters, please subscribe Jingle Chinese. 拜拜，再见。